there, Lisa Collins, and today I'm going to say Lemon Lady Lisa because it is National Lemonade Day. So who comes up with these things? I don't know. There's a national day for just about everything. But if it's yummy and healthy, I'm all in. So I'm going to make homemade strawberry lemonade today, and I decided to do it quickly with a couple of good healthy ingredients. And all you need is 2 cups of strawberries, preferably organic, and 1 lemon. I happen to have a Meyer lemon here already peeled, ready to go. Also, I'm going to add 5 drops of Young Living Lemon Vitality Essential Oil, and I only recommend them because they are FDA approved and safe for dietary consumption, and it's amazing. Tastes amazing. Also, I'm going to add some local natural honey from the Dovinchenko bee farm, one of my local girlfriends, and that's amazing as well. You can also add agave nectar or a stevia if you wish, but I'm going to go ahead and just drizzle a little bit of this in. I'm going to go ahead and blend it and see how it tastes. So let's give it a roll. Okay. Oh, and I think 4 cups of water I didn't mention right here. So 2 cups strawberry, 4 cups of water, 1 lemon, to sweeten to taste your honey or agave nectar, and 5 drops of lemon vitality essential oil. All right, here we go. Lemon, more lemon, because you know, it's lemonade day. 3, 4, 5. All right, wait, I gotta get this in here. Therapy while I'm at it. And I decided I'm gonna just drizzle it in maybe about a tablespoon. And then I'll try it, and then we'll see how that goes. Okay, here we go. Okay. Looks like it's blended enough to me. All right, and I just recently got this Vitamix here, and I'm really excited about it, and it really works well. All right, so let's take this off, and let's give it a shot. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. No chunky. All right, here we go. That is really good. Excellent. So I might just add a couple of ice cubes, maybe drizzle a little more honey. I do have a sweet tooth, but that is delicious and fresh. So hope you enjoy. Have a great day.